Yeah, good afternoon, guys. How are you doing today? So we are moving on to roof plan. So at first, I told you guys center your line. Before anything. So we want to draw a roof plan. As you can see, after building block wall to roofing level, the roof always extend out from the block. That shoot that you are seeing, the size is 600 mm. You know, from the block, there's an extension for the roof so that it will cover the whole block. Water won't be pouring on the block. So that roof extension is 600 around the building. You know, we are still drawing gable roof. So you want to draw a roof, you want to cover something. Firstly, you sketch out what you want to cover, which is the plan. Sketch out the plan, which is 1.5, 225, 225, and also 1.5, 225. 1.5, 225. So you sketch out what you want to cover. Construction line. Using your construction line. So after that, you now draw 600 from outside the wall. 600 scale 150. Don't forget 600 600. So you can see this is the plan and this is the roof. It shoot out from the wall 600, so it will cover the block and protect it from rain. What we are doing is gable roof. Gable roofs are roofs that fall in two sides. That's left and right. Thank God we already have our middle line. So just stick it out. And this is the ridge cap. 100. Sorry. 100. This is what they call ridge cap. The ridge cap is what cover the joint of the roof so that rain will not pass the place to enter the building. This is a ridge cap. We call something directions, roof direction. It shows the side the roof falls to. You measure it. You can do it like 500. You measure it. It's a square. Roof direction. Showing the side. Shows that the roof fall to this side and fall to this side. So you now, this is your wall we are saying, you know, the wall is under the roof. We now show it as hidden line, that something is there but is not visible. This hidden line represents that there's something under that roof, carrying that roof, but the roof is what? Is covering the thing, which is the external wall. That's it. From there, your roofing sheet. Start doing your roofing sheet. Start doing your roofing sheet. You can scale it though. You can give it a scale, uniform scale. Measure it down. Start doing, but you know, as a professional, when you are used to what you do, this is 15 years of me practicing. So I started using AutoCAD 2006, 2007. Started using AutoCAD. So this is me. You can see that the lines are uniform, but you can scale yours, so you don't have ununiform lines. We have different types of roofing sheet. We are still going to that place, but this is just the basic. You can call these asbestos, this lines design. We have the shape of aluminium. We have the shape of Gerard. So this is the roofing sheet. So you also, where you cut your section in this plan, the same way you cut your section in your roofing sheet, in your roofing, sorry, you can measure it. Okay, from this wall to this place is what? 1.3. So measure 1.3 from this wall. Draw out your section line. This is your longitudinal section. From this wall to here, this 1.5. From this wall, so this 1.3 also. 1.3. Section line. The way you draw this arrow, you know, just say this one is facing this side, arrow A. This one also this side, arrow A. This one is facing up, arrow B, facing up, arrow B. You draw it the way you draw it here. We call this roof edge, we call it eave. We call this one you are looking at here ridge cap. This one is fallings. You write with your lettering, not just where I'm writing it. Write with your lettering. This fallings. I'm just doing it fast because of the video. These are your fallings. These are the roof detailings I'm showing you guys. You need to write. There are some things I don't need to show you here that you know that when you get to AutoCAD, because the stress you just drawing it out here, you know that when you get to AutoCAD. But I just want you guys to know that you need to know drafting before any software. Software is like what you control. When you don't know what you want to do, how will you use software? So this is your eave. Edge of the roof, the first side is what they call eave. This one is your fallings. This one here is your ridge cap. So you now come down here, you label it your lettering. Roof plan. That's all. So thanks for watching so much. Kindly subscribe for more and like my video. God bless you guys.